Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open PowerPoint in Windows 10. Let's get started. At first, open your computer or desktop. Then go to your desktop start button. Click. Then you can see here are my PowerPoint software. I am already pinned to start. Then I am search the software. Then click the search button and write PowerPoint. Then you can open or double click. Now I am click open. These PowerPoint software are opened. You can choose new slide presentation or open. Now go to the new and click new blank presentation. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.